Hello Quicksilver, Barry and Ben, the exhaust men, are here. Yeah, just a little quick clip. This is a customer's V8 Vantage, and we have the rear end. Well, Ben's actually fitting the system, and it takes a while. It's a bit fiddly.
Yeah, bumper off job.
Yeah.
We've done the rear section with the carbon tailpipes. We've also got the secondary cap deletes in. They're nice and easy. And then this system works on the factory valves, so they're all plumbed in now.
Yeah.
And bumper back on.
Yeah, and actually one thing I wanted to just show everybody was you don't often actually see the exhaust. It's a shame because it actually is a nice.
Yeah, it's really pretty actually. Yeah. It's really pretty.
It's nice.
But you know, you don't often see it, and it would sound superb. Much better cut than the original valve as well, because it's really nice and quiet with the valve shut, and then when you switch into Sport Plus or track mode, it's absurd. So the silencer itself is designed really nicely, so you've got this sort of Jekyll and Hyde character.
Yeah. They are a lovely sounding vehicle, and they look great. We're getting quite a reputation. Well, we always have had for Astons, but recently doing a lot of these, and they sound great. Anyway, we'll see what the customer thinks, and we'll see you on the flip-flop. Yes, nice and dynamic. Does that meet your expectations?
Tell my neighbours I'm sorry, not sorry. That is awesome. Well done, guys. Honestly, Quicksilver, you guys have nailed it. Thank you.
That's the valves closed.
Yeah,
so
valve closed.
Nice and civilised when you need to.
Yeah. So V8 Vantage with our Sound Architect rear section with active valves. You can go from civilised to absolutely crazy whenever you want. This also has our race cap list, or V-cap pipes on it, sorry, to really open it up and help the throttle response. Everyone seems to love it. I'm sure you love it too if you've got one of these cars. So let us know what you think in the links below and contact us and get one on your car.